Mastering M dashes, a comprehensive guide. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into a powerful and versatile punctuation mark, the M dash. This lesson will help you grasp the concepts of how and when to use M dashes correctly. An M dash is a longer version of a hyphen. It's used in different contexts, such as to indicate a pause, add an additional thought, or replace parentheses, commas, or colons. For example, consider the sentence, I need to buy some fruits, apples, bananas, and oranges, on my way home. Here, the M dashes are used to include additional information within a sentence. M dashes are also used to indicate a sudden break in thought or speech. Consider the example. I was walking down the road, and then, out of nowhere, a dog ran past me. M dashes can also be used to emphasize a part of a sentence. For example, you're the one I've been waiting for, the only one for me. Let's practice what we've learned with some exercises. 1. Try to rewrite the following sentence using an M dash. I need to tell you something. It's really important. 2. Consider the sentence. She decided then, as the sun set, that she wouldn't go back. Rewrite it using M dashes to emphasize, as the sun set. 3. Use M dashes to insert a sudden interruption in the sentence. I was enjoying my coffee when I noticed something strange. Now, let's look at possible answers. 1. I need to tell you something. It's really important. 2. She decided then, as the sun set, that she wouldn't go back. 3. I was enjoying my coffee when I noticed something strange. Remember, language rules can sometimes be flexible. These are not the only correct answers. Great job on completing today's lesson on M dash usage. It may seem tricky, but with practice, you'll become more comfortable. Keep practicing, and you'll soon master the versatile M dash. Happy learning!